What's up, everyone? Welcome to my garage.
So today, I bought a pressure washer. You see, it says it right there. Troy built it. It says right there, and then he built it for life. So wherever you are, Troy, thank you for building this for life. Anyway, I took it out of the box and hooked everything up. I put it near a hose. See, you can tell there's a hose, and it's gas. So I turned it. I started it up, and told it to give me water, and it wouldn't do nothing. I'm stumped. It's supposed to be a professional. See, and it's ready. It's a ready start. So I don't know. See, you can see the hose, and I got it so it goes, underneath it. And it says hook it up to a hose. So I did that, and nothing. So I don't know. There's a couple thing there. I don't know what that does. I don't know. So if anybody's got any input on that, just give me a holler. Also, can't get this right here to give me any pressure. So if you know what's wrong with that, just let me know. Figure somebody's got to know without hearing it or anything what's exactly wrong with it. So that'd be awful awesome of you if you could help me out. Other than that, today, just trying to figure out what the hell this pressure washer thing's all about and who Troy is. But who knows? I had a problem with my four-wheeler the other day. I hit a jump and hit it a little sideways, and my skid plate dug a boulder up. Look, you can tell. And sent me fucking for a ride with this thing flying behind me. Got it apart. The steering stem was bent right in half. So I had to order a new one of those. So you can see that it's supposed to be straight, and then it just takes a fucking 30 there or something. And I didn't want that to do that, so I don't know why it did. I wish it wouldn't have done that. But once I hit the jump, once I flew off, it decided it just wanted to do its own tricks and flip and roll around. An asshole. So I don't know why he did that. He bent his rear grab bar there. I don't know why he'd want to do that, but I figure I got a hammer right here. See if you can tell. It's a sledgehammer. And I'm just going to fix this bend. So, there, fixed, straight, see? Look at that, helped him out. So, other than that, I guess that's it for today. But give you some updates as I get them for this and figure out what else I beat the shit out of on this. And like I said, if you can help me with why, know, like I said, I put it over the hose, told it to go, and it won't go. And if you know why that isn't working, that'd be awesome. Alright everyone, till next time.